In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get out of your own way and get over your fear of talking to and negotiating with motivated sellers. Let's check it out. Before we dive into this strategy, please just hit the like button. That helps us out with YouTube's algorithm and gets us in front of more real estate investors just like you. A lot of newbie real estate investors are super nervous, anxious, apprehensive about going to meet with property owners, right? What if I say the wrong thing? Spoiler alert, you're gonna blow some appointments. Now, I do have a video I'll link to above, kind of my tips for meeting with sellers, but it is just part of the process. You're gonna have some appointments that don't go well, that are kind of awkward, that are gonna kind of choppy, but that's no reason to not get started. So what I really recommend to anybody that is nervous about meeting with people, analyzing deals, estimating repair costs, is just to get yourself out there and put yourself in front of property owners. So I didn't think this was ever something that I would share, but back in the day, I had a new acquisitions manager and I wanted to get him up to speed with being comfortable with being told no, meeting with people, building rapport, making offers, and doing follow-up, right? Now, as a real estate investor, my typical cost per lead that's coming off of traditional marketing is anywhere from like 50 to 150 bucks on average, depending on the lead source. So naturally, right, I didn't want to spend, get this guy on 20 appointments for $2,000 and have him just, swing and a miss on everything, right? So what we actually did was something I showed you guys in the previous video that I'll link to above. We went through Zillow and forsalebyowner.com, called the property owners, simply just asked, are you interested in a cash offer? If yes, when can I come out, right? Now, if they like, oh yeah, obviously we're open to that, but we're not gonna take pennies on the dollar, we would just ask them right up front, does the property need any work? Yes. Okay, then it probably makes sense for us to come look at it. If they're like, oh no, it's perfect, pristine, it's in immaculate shape, maybe you pass on that one. But we got this guy on 30 appointments in a week, all with for sale by owners, and it was kind of like a baptism by fire. But what it did, it got him over his fear of meeting with people, building rapport, and making offers that were substantially below asking price. So if you've been kind of in like analysis paralysis phase and haven't actually gone and even made an offer on a property, I would set the goal of going out and meeting with just one person this week. Whether you've been stuck in analysis paralysis or working on getting over your fear of meeting with people and not knowing all the answers, this is a great way to do that and actually get you in the field, closer to doing a deal, as opposed to sitting at home, watching YouTube videos, hopefully ours, and just thinking about it. Be sure to like and subscribe. We'll talk to you next time.